Meditation is like a gym in which you develop the powerful mental muscles of calm and insight. Did you know that just 10 minutes of meditation a day can significantly reduce stress and even promote healing? Stick around to discover how you can unlock your body's natural superpower. Welcome to the channel, where we explore the incredible ways to live a healthier, happier life. Today, we're diving into meditation, not just as a tool for relaxation but as a transformative practice that taps into your body's natural ability to heal itself. Intrigued? Let's get started. Let me share a story with you. Meet Sarah, an entrepreneur constantly battling migraines and insomnia. She tried everything, from medication to expensive therapies, with no lasting results. Then, a friend recommended meditation. Skeptical but desperate, Sarah gave it a shot. Within weeks, she noticed fewer headaches and better sleep. Months later, migraines were a thing of the past. And it's not just Sarah. Thousands of people have shared similar stories about how meditation helped them reduce pain, recover from illnesses, and even manage chronic conditions like anxiety or high blood pressure. Science backs this up. Studies from Harvard and UCLA show that meditation can literally change your brain. Regular meditation increases gray matter in the areas responsible for memory, empathy, and stress regulation. And here's the kicker, it also reduces inflammation, a root cause of many chronic illnesses. Doctors like Dr. Joe Dispenza even suggest that meditation can kickstart the body's natural healing mechanisms by calming the nervous system and promoting cellular repair. Sounds like science fiction, but it's pure fact. Now that you're sold on the benefits, how do you start? Keep it simple, begin with 5 to 10 minutes a day. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Use guided meditations. Apps like Headspace or Insight Timer are great for beginners. Be consistent, like any habit, consistency is key. Even if it feels awkward at first, stick with it. Let go of perfection. Meditation isn't about emptying your mind, it's about observing your thoughts without judgment. Meditation isn't a magic pill, but it is a powerful tool. From reducing stress to enhancing your body's healing power, it's a small daily investment with huge returns. Whether you're looking to heal physically, emotionally, or mentally, meditation is a practice that anyone can benefit from. What are your thoughts on meditation? Have you tried it before? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready for more life-changing tips, hit that subscribe button and check out this next video on how mindfulness can boost your productivity. See you there.